Mark Roden from American Battery Solutions in Lake Erie, Michigan. I have a role that's kind of unique. I'm the Director of Engineering Operations. So think of it as the tools and process and how do we get better? How do we grow the company? American Battery Solutions was a kind of a startup company. We've been around about 5 years. So we're kind of coming out of the Excel distributed process mindset where we have some things written down, but they're not connected. They're very segregated and siloed from each other. So that's kind of where we're coming from is 4 people in a room figure out how to do it. Now, how do we do it in a mass production environment? So I've had some experience with stages before from the auto industry where I came from. And what I liked about stages is not only did it pull together from a visual perspective, I think a lot of tools could show you in a flow how a process works. But what I liked about stages is it also connected to the standards, and it also let you kind of include the how, right? Which I think is important for users, is to figure out not only what does the process flow look like, what's the how, what's the training, what's the work instructions, how do I get down deeper into I'm new, how do I really do this? So obviously, from a background perspective, that's what I'm really familiar with. And I think we liked the kickstart that framework provided to get a company up and running. The way we've utilized it is we've compared it to the processes we've already had in place. So we're able to do a gap analysis really quick of, hey, here's kind of the minimal viable product that we could release quickly, and what do we have and how do we fill that gap? Yeah, it's definitely adoption. It's teams being comfortable in the tool, comfortable looking at it. I think the other thing that's key, and my team and I have talked a lot about, is how do we gather feedback? How are we not just handing the process over and walking away, but how are we involved in the product development? How do we bring in the quality assurance side of it to get that quick feedback that we know we're going to need to adjust as we roll out our first versions of the process?